Someone heading up the interstate right now in a motorcycle with a sidecar. 37 years in the business, and that's the first time I've seen anything like that in a storm this bad.
That was Rich Van Watt reporting live earlier today down at 65 and Southware Road. And as he said, you don't see things like that happen during a blizzard. But we've seen people on bicycles riding in the snow. Of course, there you go, a motorcyclist.
But you notice nobody's sitting in that sidecar. So somebody in the family has some common sense.
Who's going to agree to do that? Dave, I love you, but I'm not going to ride with you in the sidecar.
We just got some breaking